Hey guys, I'm back. Well, my cough got away now, but still now there. Do you have an idea to get it back? To take the cough away? Just press the start button, how to do it, and then I can probably do it with whatever you think. Bye. My name is Josh.